chicken. Poussin chicken.
With
potatoes.
Yeah.
With potatoes. Lemon,
Got some
carrots. With potatoes, lemon, carrots.
Yeah. And Poussin chicken.
And Poussin chicken.
So what are we going to do?
We're gonna eat it.
What's going to happen?
Yum, 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 yum. The chicken. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Here's some carrots for you, chicken.
So, Persian, we have popped the oven on 200 fan. That is not what we need to do. We need to make the herb butter first. Whoa, butter goes into there. So we got three mini poussins. Here we go. While the butter is being mixed, we're going to chop up some herbs. Got some
No, it
dill,
has to be all
parsley,
tiny
and
pieces.
chives. Yeah. So we got our lovely herbs there, all chopped finely, and Persia's done her butter. So let's add the herbs. Okay. Hold on.
I'll do it.
Yeah, go on. Add it in. Okay. Yeah. Give it all a good mix.
Poussin chicken.
Gonna add them all into our tray. There we go. How many potatoes do you think we need, Persia? That was one big potato. Well, I think let's add another one.
Remember when I hurt my finger?
Oh yeah, you remember that. Persia likes to peel onions. Persia, you used to do that when you were little. So.
But then I hurt my finger. But I carried on.
Yeah, really good.
My hands.
Persia
A knife.
you will need to, don't worry. Persia is now putting the herby butter, bless you, onto the chicken. Well done, Persia. Onto our poussins.
Poussin, poussin. Nana, poussin, poussin. Nana, poussin, poussin.
Banana, poussin, poussin.
Banana, poussin, poussin.
We made a song about the poussin. Alright, so now it goes in the oven for about 45 minutes.
You lot made a Poussin song.
Poussin, poussin.
Poussin, Poussin. Poussin, Poussin.
Chicken. Mmm. Carrots.